Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. I'm just going to show you basically how to write an email in GetResponse. Sounds easy, but it took me quite a while to understand all this process because you've got list, report, draft, create. I'm like, where should I go? So I'll just show you step by step how to do it. It's very easy. Just go into menu and you will go in automation. Okay, so if you want to do email marketing, to be honest, I don't use autoresponders. I don't use webinar, conversion funnel, landing pages. I use ClickFunnels, form and survey, Facebook ads. I don't use any of this. I only use email marketing or automation. Okay, go on automation and then automation messages. If you haven't write an automation messages yet, you might don't have this one yet. Okay, so you just go on create here. But let's go automation messages and then you go create draft. Okay, and then we're just gonna create an email. So basically, what you do, you link to the list you want. Uh, it doesn't really matter for now, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of this video. Okay, I'm gonna use the send field list. If you don't know what is a send field list, I'd recommend to read the .com secret, which is a free book. I'll leave a link below. Go message name. So I'm just gonna send it straight away. So message name, sorry, this one is for you. Uh, so I'm gonna create him send field list day 3, and the subject line is gonna be how to stay motivated and focus. That's it. Then you choose from which email you're going to send it from. Don't use the Gmail. Anyway, any autoresponder or GetResponse, we don't like when you've got at gmail.com or at Hotmail or Outlook. It has to be at your domain name. Me in this case, cgsambition.com. To do that, just use G Suite. If you've got Gmail, G Suite, let you do that. So yeah, then you click on next step when you've got your subject. Subject is very important because that's what's going to make people click and open your email or not. So if you promote a product inside this email and they don't click, you're not going to make any money. Then, so you've got different template, but no, make it easy. Start from scratch, okay? And then you go all the way down, blank template. Just like if you would write a blank email to a friend, because that's what we do. We're writing to friends, to people. We're not writing to a robot or machine. They're normal people, so it has to look very genuine. Okay. So when you click on this, not the Windows gonna open. My laptop is a bit slow. That Mac from 2010 start to die. Okay, so now you want to add an element. You've got everything here: image block, image text, and block, and there's lots of stuff. And all you're gonna use is text blocks. You just click, drag, and drop. Simple as this. Okay. So for this tutorial, I already written my email. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. Okay. There we go. No, no. Okay. So first of all, when you've got your email, so you've got the subject line, which is going to be how to stay focused, motivated, and focused. And then on the div, you've got one or two line just to introduce the email on your notification. And it's going to be this. The beginning of a journey is always exciting, whoever is building a business online. So something, people know what I'm going to talk about, and they want to read more and they want to open the email. So it's very important. All I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font. There we go. And put it a bit smaller. So it's pretty easy, to be fair. Right. Why you put a bit smaller is just because if the font is too big, you might end up in a spam folder, and you don't want this. Okay. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy email. This email, I'm not promoting any product. I'm just giving some advice and free value to the people. If you promote your product every single day to your list, at the end of the day, people are going to say, hang on a minute, he's not helping me, he's just trying to sell stuff and make money. And they're gonna unsubscribe. You don't want this, so give some value, give some advice. That's it. All I'm going to do is to add my signature, uh, which is this one. There we go. Then what you want to do, because most of the people click on next step, which is true, is the next step to do. But before that, you go on plain text here, and you just click on HTML to plain, and then wrap long line. Don't ask me why. Everyone does it. Someone told me to do it, and someone told me to do it. So I'll do it as well. It's same. It's just to avoid the spam folder. If you want to check your score, you send on text message and you click on spam score. There we go. So you have to, if you below 5, it's very good. My spam score is minus 0.09, so it's very good. And I get you message probability sign what is DKIM. It means it's registered to a domain name, and you see extremely large font size, which is now yeah, my signature. Okay, so it's very good. You want to check this, and you want to as well send a test message to your phone. Okay, this one to your Gmail, just to make sure you know in the spam folder and everything's going good for you. Especially if you go a link, make sure you can open the link, and it's no error 404. Then you click on next step. So pretty easy for now. Okay, so now you've got your draft here, which is called send field day 3. Okay, if you want to change something, go on the 3 dot and edit. Okay, or you can send a test message again. You don't have to go back. Now what we want to integrate this to my workflow. So I want to send this email automatically, like let's say it's day 3. So I go back on my workflow here. I'll show you in a video how to do a workflow. Send field, I click on this. Okay, so this is my workflow, and I've got send message day 1, wait for 3 days, day 2, wait for 2 days, and now I want to say the other one. So send message. There we go. All you have to do is link. So you see it's pretty easy. Link, click on this one, and then you choose. So it was a draft, and the message was send field day 3. And you click on apply, and that's it. And that's it. And then if you get ready for the other one, you can go in wait. You can put here, link. There we go. I like to change the color just because for me it's for organization. And they're gonna wait for 2 days, not 22. And that's it. Save and publish. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. And now the email is going to send automatically on the day 3 after they've been waiting 2 days. And this is how you create an email. It's still on a draft. If you want to check what is it, you just go back on automation here. And then you go on automation messages. And then you'll see here, I've got the send field day 3 in use, which is my workflow, and I've still got the draft. I can delete the draft if I want. I'll do it actually. And that's it. Very easy. So if you want to try GetResponse, I'll leave a link below. You've got 30 days free trial to have a look on everything and start building your list as well. And leave a link as well if you want to read the .com secret, which is very good, which is over there. Over there, a very good book. And you've got everything explained inside. You have as well some template you can use. And if you want some template, ask me. I'll send you my send field list. I'm on day 3 for now. Maybe at the time I'll be on day 60. Who knows? But yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll do some more video about how to use GetResponse and affiliate marketing. And I'll see you in the next one.